Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Spinoceratus. I'm Aiden Rodriguez, and today we're going to be playing Jurassic World the game gameplay part 3. So I have adjusted my camera and so that my finger mostly does not come in, or my hand mostly does not come in before I start the video recording. So that's good. We got 10 of that. So in my last recording, I had completely forgotten to like do the last battle stage, battle stage 8. I think this is gameplay part 4. Yeah, I think this is gameplay part 4. Yeah, so battle stage. Oh yeah, battle build up is here, and we got another red rumble thing. Hmm, I won't be able to do those. We got that coming up. We got pretty interesting stuff. We got this. Against that, there are fair chances. So let's take Triceratops. Hopefully, I'll be able to win this and I'll get my first ever rare. Not first ever, of course, I've played this game before and I've got many rares. In this device, my first rare. Oh gosh, I accidentally took a time. It's okay, he's dead anyways. Okay. So he probably took one shield, yeah. So one attack of mine couldn't have killed him. He would have been on 2 health. So just took 2 reserves. So you took one attack. And there we go. He's probably gonna have 0 health. Yeah, he's dead. Again, I'm saying in this video also, the math in this game, I know it is wrong, but it's still really fun. This is a sentence I'm using literally in every Jurassic World the game video. Because if you're like, it can get a little irritating, like, so such as there's one attack that completely can't kill you, but it does end up killing you. It's completely. Ooh, I have a level 1 Guanlong and I'm versing a level 1 Guanlong. Let's see how I can fare with another level 1 Guanlong. Both have same health, same attack because they both are level 1s. I'll take that. Why not? So, the Guanlong means, um, I don't know what it means. I think it means crested king. No, it can't mean that. I'll have to look it up what Guanlong means. I think it means crowned. I think it means crowned something. Something like that. Well, I ended up winning the battle pretty easily, honestly. Um, all you need is the right tactic for it. One pterosaur. Do I have? Yeah, I have. So, I should probably be able to win this. Yeah, I think I won. Yeah, I won this. Um, oh, actually, I'll just take reserve for this. Um, there we go. This is actually pretty easier than I thought. I thought it was going to be like harder, but since this is probably like I'm in the early stages, also my first battle build up that I'm doing, they're giving it easy. Next has to be amphibians, then I think it's you can take oh okay, let's do it. So I'll easily win this one too. So let's just do that. And so now officially the opponent's turn. There we go. He's dead. Yeah. There we go. I wonder in which on which level we can start collecting boss DNA. Yeah, this one has no restriction. That's because I'm versing a 3-on-3. So, um, so first of them all. Oh gosh, it's a hard selection. It's quite confusing. Sorry for the shh. My sister came in and she didn't know I was recording, so she just called me by my nickname. Uh, so yeah, I just did a little shh. So go on long. Uh, who do I take next? Limones. He's the one who has the advantage against Guan Long and try. I've never used Argentinosaurus in a battle, so I'm gonna use him now. There we go. Ooh, we can actually almost kill him. Can you imagine seeing this in real life? Like um, a small tyrannosaurid, which is probably about the size of a human, killing a giant sauropod. That would be like, how did he do it? That would be my first question. How did he do it? Imagine seeing a velociraptor killing a Apatosaurus, basically, in real life. So this Guanlong's dead too. Okay, color branches. Sorry for another shh. It's because my sister came in and I just wanted to let her know that still no noise. Because sometimes, once or twice, my video has gotten ruined because of this. I told her. But once or twice it may have happened. I don't know, maybe by accident or on purpose. I'm not sure. But I don't blame her. She never knew. There we go. Guangdong then. Guanlong took all the glory because he literally killed every single one. I got a rare. I think it's a Diplodocus or Diplodocus. And I got a Diplodocus. I have got a Diplodocus! Yes! So my first rare ever on the other device was the Dilophosaurus, which I would have preferred. The rare that I wanted the most, honestly, is the Corythosaurus, because then I could call it a new species, because I don't own it on the other device for some reason. I mean, Corythosaurus is not that rare, but I don't own it. So that's the one I want the most. The second most rare that I want is the Dilophosaurus, and most of y'all know the reason why is because Dilo is really cool. Honestly, I love Dilophosaurus. It's like one of my favorites. Maybe I don't know if it's in the top 10. Fear, Fear Pack. No, Rajastega. Okay. Let's scroll all the way. Ooh, sequencing pack. Let's see this. Mosasaurus. Okay, we can get the Mosasaurus in this, but it's for 810. Um. So look at this. We can get all of these in this pack. All of these. Can you believe all of those? This is a sequencing pack. Okay, so hopefully I'll have enough. Oh gosh, my finger just came in again. Not a little finger. I'm not gotten any. Oh, Diplodocus. Oh, right, my Diplodocus is hatching. Should I speed up my Diplodocus? Then I can call it a new species. I could name the title of this video A New Dino in the Hatchery. I could. Maybe. But name it A New Dino in the Hatchery. Yeah, I think I'll just name it that. Because I don't want to go 73 cash. Argentinosaurus. Here you are, little buddy. Right, so what I was planning to do was upgrade my Majangosaurus. So what I will do is get a Majangosaurus level 30. Hopefully level 30. There we go, there we go. We got it, 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 we got it. So we got a level 11 Majangosaurus and now I'm gonna feed it up. Ball for 10-30 minutes. Let's just spend 15. We got a level 21 Majangosaurus on the first try. So the first time I was using for a Majangosaurus level, 30, no, 21. It took a few tries for some reason. Now I got it on one try. So first let's just take that. I'll take it. Thank you kindly. And there we go. We have a level 30 Majangosaurus, who's probably my most strongest dino for now. The Diplodocus is not hatched. God knows how powerful that thing's gonna be. We have to feed this guy too. Let's feed him up. Oh wow, I'm low on food again. Okay, where's this? So there's one cool thing, SDNA, which means super DNA, which we can unlock at level 25. Boss DNA, which we can get the bosses for, that so far has not come yet. I will do a recording of my progress on the other device, so for people who have not are new to Jurassic World, the game can see the Omega 09 boss. The Juggernaut boss I've so far not gotten yet. We can connect it to the paddocks. We can. Okay, in that case, I'll do it. Connected to the Majangosaurus paddock. Can you even do it like if you're... Once again, I think you will be able to. No, we can't. So, yeah, we can't, guys. So anyways, let's just make this a little round. Let's just do this real quick. So I will be continuing go like that. There's the sauropod kind of like section is going to be there for now. Think that should be big enough. There we go. Looks like I'll have to find a new place for this, for these. I have an idea, so I'm not gonna place any dinos in this A. Oh, wait a second. Let's just place it. No. Let's place him there for now, and let's see. Let's move Majangosaurus. Actually, can we place a dinosaur? We can't place any dinosaur in that A. So you can go in the A. This guy the amber pedestal can go in there, and these shops, yeah. So now the shops, they can go. We can't keep them there. There will be places for dinos there. So we will keep this. Where do I keep this? Thinking. Here. Okay. I'll just keep it there. There we go. Come on. The reason why I'm acting so excited is because I am excited. It's because there's one thing I'm really excited for. It's that I am finally getting to actually play this game the way I intended to. So in that other device, like I was new to the game. So then after some time, I noticed like, oh no, I wanted to play it like this at the starting, not like this. So eventually I came to know it. Like now I can finally play it like this, the way I wanted to, because by the time my park was like done, by the time I understood everything in the other device, it was all hibbity jibbity. Any dinos were anywhere. I had so many structures around. It was all chaos, havoc. No, the roads were completely misplaced. Um, the roads, they were everywhere literally, and there was no connection to any of the roads. So I never understood anything about this game back then, but now I can finally play it the way I intended to start the game. So now what I'm going to be doing is another battle. I think we are still left to do with the battle stage 8. So let's do it. Probably after the battle stage 8 I will end this recording. Limonesis is going up. Then we can take the Guanlong, and now we'll take the Argentinosaurus and let's battle. So here's the Utahraptor. I'll just take one reserve for it. So it took one attack. Sorry, it took 2 attacks. It went all out. So this will kill it, and now the other Utahraptor is going to kill it and probably kill Limonesis. Then here comes Guanlong, and then he'll kill the Utahraptor, and then comes the Argentinosaurus. Oh, he just swapped in now. So Tropocanthaconthus is not going to kill the Monesis, but I'm not doing any. But I'm not going to swap into Argentinosaurus. I'm just going to take 3 reserves because Guanlong alone can kill this guy. Alright, 4 reserves, 3 attacks. I'm savoring up. This is going to be probably the title for this video. A new dino in the hatchery and Guanlong power and Guanlong special power. Guanlong special power and a new dino in the hatchery. Special attack. There we go. Here comes. Oh my gosh. Oh god, I didn't do it. Argentinosaurus is dead. So the battle didn't quite go out the way I planned. But anyways guys, this is all for today. Bye and see you next time.